Shanghai Yiyou Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Co. Limited is an early professional supplier in China that entered into the development and production of positive and negative pressure integrated machines. Our factory is located in the Suzhou city, just 45 kilometers from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, offering convenient conditions for trade and freight. Since 2010, Shanghai Yiyou Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Co. Limited has exported to hundreds of well-known countries and regions globally. Engineers are stationed in many regions for long periods to provide more accurate and timely services. Our main products include thermoforming machines, couplet and bowl thermoforming machines, thermoforming auxiliary machines, extruders, etc., beyond supplying standard high-quality equipment. Shanghai Yiyou is committed to enhancing service added value for you. We continuously explore how to optimize your procurement costs, improve factory production efficiency, and provide comprehensive equipment planning and consulting. Shanghai Yiyou hopes to share our professional knowledge and rich practical experience with you, meeting your diversified needs for productivity, efficiency, and sustainable production. Shanghai Yiyou Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Co. Limited strictly implements various international standards, employing numerous technical backbones, including several programming engineers, to ensure the development of new models and continuous improvement of machine backend programs. The thermoforming machine assembly staff have over 10 years of experience, bringing a wealth of on-the-job knowledge. On the global consensus and strategic background of carbon neutrality, Shanghai Yiyou will accelerate the deep integration of industry and digital technology. We look forward to your visit and achieving win-win cooperation.